What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today's video we're doing the front CV axles on the Scirocco. As you can see, these boots are pretty dry rotted and they're starting to crack. The shafts are covered in rust. So we're going to get these out of here, start with the driver's side, and replace them with these new ones. And once we're done with the driver's side, we'll do the passenger side. So I'm going to start by pulling this out of here, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got that old axle off of there. Now what I'm going to do before I put the new one in is I'm going to clean up the control arm down here. We're going to replace these worn out bushings, and we're going to scrub the wheel well and clean up the fender liner. Then we'll put the new axle in, and then we'll move over to the passenger side. Alright, so I ended up taking the entire sway bar out. It's been a few days. I sanded it down, had painted all up. So I let that cure, and then we put the new polyurethane bushings on there from Energy Suspension. I got the inner cups for the CV axles all greased up. They came with new hardware. I cleaned up the shims. Got both the driver side and passenger side wheel wells all cleaned out. Sprayed everything with brake clean, got all the grime out of there. Painted it with some undercoat. Same with the control arms. I sanded those all down to bare metal first, and then we primed them and undercoated those. So both sides are done. The sway bar is done. The CV axles are done. Everything is ready to go in. So I'm going to go ahead and install everything, and we'll be right back. Alright, we got the new CV axles installed. Got the sway bar put back in with the new bushings. So here's the driver's side. And the passenger side. Alright, that's going to be it for this one. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.